Good morning, everyone, and welcome to day 12 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. So today we are going to look at creating a neighborhood market snapshot for our clients through Command. So we're going to start right where we left off yesterday after we added some neighborhoods. Now we're going to look at a neighborhood snap that you're able to send them either via a link. There's also going to be an option that we'll talk about later that is a monthly neighborhood nurture. It is like an email campaign that they get monthly and that will show them what's been going on in the neighborhood they live in, but also in the neighborhoods that you've assigned them to. So those neighborhoods that they've been interested in. So we're really focusing on the things at a hyperlocal neighborhood level in Command. And this is just going to allow us to really provide value to our clients in a way that we haven't been able to before. So we're going to look at the individualized neighborhood snap for the client that we're in right now. So you can click preview. A couple of the capabilities are a little more limited when you do that. So what I'm going to recommend doing is saying copy link, which is the link that you might shoot over to your client through a text or an email or anything like that. And we're going to paste that here. So this is going to load the neighborhood snap for that specific client. You'll notice it'll be branded to me up here. So this is why it's really important to set up your marketing profile. And at the top, I'm going to see home, neighborhood stats, and about me. So we'll go through each of those links. So right now, it's going to show me the data of whatever neighborhood I have selected here. So I've got neighborhoods that she's added to and also her primary neighborhood. I'll be able to see on the right side homes in that neighborhood that might be active right now. And I will also be able to see them on a map. I can view them in a list. I can do the split view, or I can do just the map view. I can filter, so I can apply any filter based off of these right here. I can toggle between the different neighborhoods that we see on here and sort those however we want. Sometimes we'll have to refresh. Okay, so also, the client can really search anywhere on here and they can come in and draw some boundaries and say, okay, I want to know kind of what's in this area right here. And they're going to be able to see their active listings right here. So they will actually be able to click on a listing from here and they are going to see data about that listing in just a very aesthetically pleasing way. They'll have details from it, home facts, neighborhood. Then we'll go back here and they can actually toggle over to this neighborhood stats part. It's still, again, going to stay associated with that same neighborhood that they're in, and they're going to be able to see how many homes are for sale, how many might be pending, average home price. They'll scroll down, you'll be able to expand this right here and see maybe the median and the average. Same thing for square footage. This is really cool. This is new. So this is your transit and commute. You can actually search for a place on here and you can put the address in. So you could put in your work address, maybe your kid's school, different things like that, and see the commute time driving, biking, or walking from the neighborhood. Down here, it will show schools that it's zoned for. I'm assuming this is a glitch right now. It's showing like multiple ways that it can be spelled. And then same thing here. It's saying Cleveland, Cleveland High, Cleveland, Cleveland Middle. And then you'll also be able to scroll down here and again see what we were seeing on that home page, the homes for sale in that area. So when we're looking through this, if you have seen information that is not accurate please don't just send me an email about it. Do a chat in Command because this is supposed to be a direct feed from the MLS. There have been some issues though, and so we want to make sure that those are ironed out before we're sending this out to all of our clients. So if you go back to Command and in the support button on the bottom right, do a chat with support. It's going to be a lot more valuable if they are hearing from a lot of people and a lot of agents instead of just me. So please do that if you're seeing data that's inaccurate. And then they can also see your About Me here. So they'll see your bio, your contact information, the neighborhoods you have them added to. It's going to say serving here. So serving Tootsie Nursery. It's going to list all those out. It's going to say your local expert. So that's the idea, is we want to be the local expert for our clients. So this is just going to help us do that at a different level. If they happened to share that page with a friend and say, oh my gosh, look at this, that friend could come in here and put their information in and send it, and they would appear in your leads inside Command. You'd get a notification in Command that they did that. And then down here is where if you have put any links to your social media accounts, like your Facebook business page or anything like that, they'll be able to click on those links here and visit those accounts. And then they will have, you'll have your market center information down here. So there's definitely still a little bit of kinks to iron out in this. So anything you see that you can tell is not working the way that it should, or data is inaccurate, or something is pulling correctly, then please, again, let me know, but also please do a support chat with Command. So the more people they hear from, the better, I feel like, in that scenario. So get in there and take a look at this. And remember, this is what they're going to see in their when you sign them up for a monthly neighborhood nurture email, whenever we start doing that. And then also whenever the new consumer app releases later this year, the neighborhoods that you have them assigned to, they're going to see that data inside their mobile app. So take a look around for one of your clients' neighborhood landing pages for today's task. And that is it. Thanks for watching.